Is your Samsung Galaxy phone refusing to connect to Wi-Fi, leaving you stranded in the digital dark ages? Let's get you back online by tackling those frustrating Wi-Fi issues first. A quick and often overlooked fix: ensure your Wi-Fi is actually turned on. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick panel, then tap the Wi-Fi icon to make sure it's highlighted. If it's on but still not connecting, try forgetting the network. Go to Settings, then Connections, followed by Wi-Fi. Tap on the network you're trying to connect to, and select Forget. Then, try connecting again by selecting the network and entering your password. Sometimes, a simple toggle can work wonders. Swipe down to the quick panel again and tap on airplane mode to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. This resets your phone's network connections. Double check that you're entering the Wi-Fi password correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so ensure those capital letters and numbers are exactly as they should be. For more persistent problems, a network settings reset can clear out any corrupted data. Go to Settings, then General Management, and scroll down to Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Please note this will also reset your Bluetooth connections and mobile data settings, so you'll need to re-enter those as well. Finally, ensure your phone's software is up to date. Outdated software can sometimes cause connectivity glitches. Go to Settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone, and then tap on Software Update. Check for and install any available updates. With these steps, you should be back to enjoying uninterrupted Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Stay connected.